Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Gala price prediction and Gala news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Gala in 2022. Gala Games aims to set a new direction for the gaming industry by giving players back control over their games. The mission of Gala Games is to create blockchain games that you actually want to play. The project plans to bring creative thinking back to games and give players control over games and in-game assets using blockchain technology. Players can own non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and influence the governance of games in the Gala Games ecosystem. The Founders Nodes voting mechanism allows players to influence which games Gala should develop and which games should receive funding. In addition to buying NFTs for certain games, Gala Games also uses Gala, its own utility token. So far, Gala Games has released one finished game, Town Star, and an NFT collectible series, Vox. Since launching in 2019, Gala Games has grown to 1.3 million monthly active users and sold 26,000 NFTs, the most expensive of which was valued at $3 million. Before the video, we will discuss the latest news related to the Gala coin. OK Group leads $21 million Series A for Brazilian exchange Foxbit. Chinese blockchain company OK Group has led a $21 million Series A funding round for Brazilian exchange Foxbit, according to reports from Bloomberg Linea and others. According to news reports, Foxbit will use the funds for hiring, technology and possible acquisitions. Sao Paulo-based Foxbit was founded in 2014 by João Canhata and Luis Augusto Chiavin, according to its website. Felipe Trovin was the company's first investment partner. The exchange has about 1 million registered users. In 2020, Foxbit transacted over Brazilian reais $3.593 billion, and said in December that it had transacted over Brazilian reais $9 billion, nearly $1.8 billion, in its history. According to the company blog, the company's staff grew by 40% in 2021. Foxbit supports a wide range of assets, including cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, as well as stablecoins and utility tokens. On February 16, 5 new crypto assets were added: Shiba Inu, SHIB, Gala, Phantom, FTM, LuxRare, Lux, and Illuvium, ILV. It also offers the Bitcoin payment platform Foxbit Pay, the crypto-as-a-service product Compra Fácil Crypto, and the asset tokenization service Foxbit Tokens. Also, against the backdrop of recent events, we will conduct a brief analysis. Bitcoin Cash, Asia Infinity, Gala price analysis. The crypto market saw a significant plunge in the last few hours, as the friction between Russia and Ukraine worsened. As a result, a broader sell-off followed. As a result, Bitcoin Cash hovered around its 15-month support after a 10.87% 24-hour loss. Further, Asia Infinity flipped its 6-month support to resistance after the downslide. Also, Gala substantially discounted as it challenged the lower band of its Bollinger Bands. Since then, the alt oscillated between the $387–$260 range for the past 1 month. The latest retracement saw a down channel, yellow, that yet again tested its 15-month support, made a series of higher lows in the past month, which showed buying volume has outweighed selling volume despite the rejection at 39 cents. The directional movement index showed that a strong trend was not in progress, and this by itself evidenced that a shift in trend could be around the corner. Conclusion: given the uncertain market conditions on the longer timeframes and the dominance of fear in recent weeks, it could be risky to be confident that Gala has indeed shifted its market structure. However, the slow but steady demand coupled with the bounce from the $0.216 level, which was also an area of demand, showed that bulls have a reason to be optimistic. However, if Gala drops below 21 cents, this bullish outlook would have to be shelved. Next news: EU commits to cutting Russian banks off from SWIFT over Ukraine invasion. The European Union has resolved to isolate Russia from the international financial system, including by blocking some banks from the Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication, SWIFT, the messaging network underpinning global financial transactions. In blocking Russia from SWIFT, the European Union would block Russian institutions from conducting any interbank transactions with non-Russian entities, effectively cutting it off from the global financial system. The move came days after Russian military forces launched attacks on various cities and military bases in Ukraine, including in the nation's capital Kiev. Italy, Hungary, and Cyprus were initially opposed to the move, but expressed support for it on Friday and Saturday. Meanwhile, Germany is in favor of targeted and functional restrictions on Russia. The European Commission formalized this support later Saturday in a public statement attributed to the EC, France, Germany, Italy, UK, Canada and US. We commit to ensuring that selected Russian banks are removed from the SWIFT messaging system. This will ensure that these banks are disconnected from the international financial system and harm their ability to operate globally, the statement said. The EC also committed to blocking the Russian central bank from. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Gala. Will the next couple of months usher in an uptrend? In November, Gala rocketed from $0.074 to $0.744 and registered around 1,000% gains in a matter of 2 weeks. Since mid-November, the price has been retracing most of those gains and had established a downtrend that saw Gala plunge to $0.162. However, in the month of February, it appeared that the coin's long-term fortunes could have begun to shift toward the side of the bulls once again. The Fibonacci retracement tool was used to plot the retracement levels for Gala's move from $0.074 to $0.744 and showed that the 61.8% and 78.6% retracement levels lay at $0.232 and $0.162. Both of these levels have acted as significant support in the past month. As highlighted on the chart, Gala has been on a downtrend since December. In early February, the coin closed the daily session above the, then, most recent lower high at $0.365 and pushed as far north as 39 cents, before facing rejection. Moreover, in the past week, the price has formed a higher low at $0.216, compared to the downtrend's lower low at 18 cents. This indicated that the coin has taken the first step to flip the market structure to bullish. Rationale: the daily RSI has not dropped below 40, which was significant, because generally values below 40 are interpreted as strongly bearish. In fact, at press time, the RSI was at 46, which was closer to neutral than bearish. The OBV has also made a series of higher lows in the past month, which showed buying volume has outweighed selling volume despite the rejection at 39 cents. The directional movement index showed that a strong trend was not in progress, and this by itself evidenced that a shift in trend could be around the corner. Conclusion: given the uncertain market conditions on the longer timeframes and the dominance of fear in recent weeks, it could be risky to be confident that Gala has indeed shifted its market structure. However, the slow but steady demand coupled with the bounce from the $0.216 level, which was also an area of demand, showed that bulls have a reason to be optimistic. However, if Gala drops below 21 cents, this bullish outlook would have to be shelved. The next news: Gala price analysis. Gala coin to retest January lows. The early February gain in Gala price was backed by $5 billion investment plans announced by the organization to bolster its non-fungible token offering, by buying intellectual property rights and building a theme park. However, the recent sell-off in the crypto market has nearly nullified these gains over a fortnight. Moreover, a retest of the $0.2.15 support raises the threat of a downtrend continuation. In February's first week, the Gala buyers finally broke the consolidation phase, having $0.177 as base support. The altcoin registered a 135% gain to the February 19th HIGH, $0.396. After two failed attempts to surpass the $0.4 mark, the coin price tumbled to local support of $0.275. The bearish breakout from a double bottom pattern intensified the selling pressure and implied further correction to a prior resistance of $0.215. The 50 and 100-day EMA's curving down suggests the bears are wresting control from bulls. Moreover, the MACD indicators show the fast and slow lines are poised to